Dear students, take page number 26 to 29 in your grammar book. It is graph sentence using action verbs, 2.5 graph. If you are a starter in English, if you are a starter want to learn English and you want to be very sure that your grammatical part is correct, this is the most important graph which you should read. You should concentrate on this and understand the steps, how do you form. See, totally 16 rows are there, 9 columns are there. 16 rows are there, 9 columns are there. The first column, it is information, all 5 W's are there, and second column future, third past, fourth present, fifth is pronoun, sixth is present, seventh is past, eighth is future, ninth is noun. So you take the fifth column you take, in the first row, fifth column you take, 5, 6 and 9, I eat non-vegetarian. I eat non-vegetarian. I eat non-vegetarian is the first column. I eat non-vegetarian. Immediately you are coming to the second column to go in for second row to go in for negative. I do not eat non-vegetarian. The negative part of I eat non-vegetarian is I do not eat non-vegetarian. I do not eat non-vegetarian means you never eat. I eat non-vegetarian means you are eating now. So 5 plus 7 plus 9. I ate non-vegetarian. I ate non-vegetarian. Just exactly opposite of that is I did not eat non-vegetarian. You go in for future. I shall eat non-vegetarian. Negative part is I shall not eat non-vegetarian. So I eat non-vegetarian. So negative part is I do not eat non-vegetarian. That is second row you are coming. I ate non-vegetarian. And negative is I did not eat non-vegetarian. I shall eat non-vegetarian, and the negative part is I shall not eat non-vegetarian. It should go like this row. And this you are coming for question. Suppose if you want to question in the present tense, then you are using do I eat non-vegetarian. The question part for that is in negative. Don't I eat non-vegetarian? Don't I eat non-vegetarian? Suppose if you want to go in for past question, did I eat non-vegetarian? And past question, did not I eat non-vegetarian? In future if you want to question, shall I eat non-vegetarian? And negative, future, shall not I eat non-vegetarian? So in this way you are coming for question. Suppose if you want to go in for information, you take the first column, the first row, when 1 plus 4, when do I eat non-vegetarian? When do I eat non-vegetarian? 1 plus 4 plus 9, when do I eat non-vegetarian? And for question in information, when do not I eat non-vegetarian? 1 plus, once again 4 plus 9. In the past tense information you want to go, when did I eat non-vegetarian? 1 plus 3 plus 9. In the second row, question, when didn't I eat non-vegetarian? For future, when shall I eat non-vegetarian? 1 plus 2 plus 9. And future question, when shall not I eat non-vegetarian? Hope you are able to understand. Like that you have to go in for we, you. Suppose if it comes to he, you have to add es. See here, goes. 5 plus 6 plus 9, he goes abroad. Suppose he doesn't go abroad. He does not go abroad. Past tense, he went abroad. He did not go abroad. Future, he will go abroad. Future, negative, he will not go abroad. Question, does he go abroad? Doesn't he go abroad? 3 plus 9, did he go abroad? 3 plus 9, didn't he go abroad? Future, 2 plus 9, shall he go abroad? Negative, shall not he go abroad? Information, what for? 1 plus 4 plus 9. What for does he go abroad? What for doesn't he go abroad? 1 plus 3 plus 9. What for did he go abroad? Next row. What for didn't he go abroad? 1 plus 3 plus 9. What for shall he go abroad? What for shall not he go abroad? So, like that you have to format complete structure.